Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Cloudshala. In this video, we are going to see an online data analytics Python course which is being provided by IBM. What is this course? How students can apply? What all things you are going to learn in this course? We will see everything in this video. So don't forget to watch it till the end, and without a further ado, let's get started. So IBM Free Data Analytics with Python online course. We will see what are the skills that you are going to learn, the job opportunities for the data analytics and machine learning. Okay, so for anyone looking to break into this field or upskill for the better job opportunity, then course is going to be very helpful for you. So we will see why you should choose this course, what you will learn, all the skills, what is the key skills you will going to learn, and why you should take this course, who should take this course, and job opportunities after completing this course, tips to get success in this, and how you can enroll, and finally we will see some important points. First, we will see why you should choose this course, this Python online course for data analytics. Python is celebrated for its simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries that makes data analytics efficient and accessible. A Python online course, especially one offered by IBM, allows learners to gain practical, job-ready skills from anywhere in the world. The course is designed to take you from the basics of Python to advanced data analysis and predictive modeling, making it suitable for both beginners and those with some programming experience. So we will see what you will be going to learn. Develop Python code for clearing and preparing data for analysis, including handling missing values, formatting, normalizing, and binding data. Perform exploratory data analysis and apply analytical techniques to real-world data sets using libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. Manipulate data using data frames, summarize data, understand data distribution, perform correlation, and create data pipelines. Build and evaluate regression models using machine learning, scikit-learn library, and use them for prediction and decision making. The skills you will gain, these are the hot skills which are very much in demand in today's market: analysis, data pipeline, descriptive statistics, predictive modeling, data import and export, exploratory data analysis, scikit-learn machine learning library, data manipulation, regression analysis, machine learning methods, data cleansing, pandas, Python package, data analysis, and NumPy. So these are the key skills that you are going to learn, and those skills like here which are already mentioned, like data wrangling, these are the key skills: statistical analysis, data visualization, predictive modeling, Python programming, library proficiency, data and pipelines, problem solving, and much more. And we have already seen who should take this course, like those who wants to make their career in the data analytics domain or machine learning domain, then this course is going to be helpful for you. The job opportunities are going to be massive in this domain, like data analytics is the job title, junior data scientist, business analyst, research analyst, operations analyst. So these are the some domains where you can make your career, and these are all the sectors where these on-demand data analytics are there. And how you can enroll. So if you are an interested candidate, you can apply for IBM Free Data Analysis with Python online course skill. You can click here. I'll mention the link in the description, so you can go and check out. Final thoughts: is the IBM Free Data Analysis with Python online course worth it? Absolutely. This Python online course is a gateway to high-demand careers in data analysis and data science, with hands-on learning, industry-recognized certification, and a curriculum that covers everything from data cleaning to predictive modeling. You will be a job ready for 2025 and beyond. So this course will provide you a certificate with a massive uh, learning and skills that you are going to get. So don't forget, if you are interested, then don't forget to enroll yourself in this course. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, to reach out. Please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.